Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create your own world in Hytale. To create your own world, simply select Worlds, then depending on what you want, if you want to go with the base game, go with Exploration. If you want the creative mode, go with Creative. Adventure, from what I know, will be added later. It is unavailable during early access. So, for the sake of the example, I will go, let's name my world Test and go into settings. As you can see here, I still can change the world's name. Here are the mods that the world is running on. You can enable or disable the PvP. You can enable or disable the fall damage. Change the day-night cycle. I will go with 0.75. You can customize the inventory penalty on death from none to drop all loot to partial drop. I'll keep the partial drop, but as you can see, with partial drop you can change the resource loss percentage on death. I will go with 25%, 30% sounds good, and durability loss on death I will go with 0%. After that I will apply the settings. As you can see, now the world will run on those settings. If I wanted to create world, I would hit this button right here, but I will also showcase the creative world. If I would want to, because it has other settings. Here you can change it from the creative hub to the generated world to flat world. As you can see, on the flat world, NPCs are disabled. I'll go and you can toggle on NPCs, and if you want to, you can pause the time. Apply settings, and now you can create a creative world. I'll go back to my survival world, for the lack of the better term. Redo my settings and hit apply. Then simply create the world and wait for the creation to complete. And as you can see, the world has loaded. You can now go outside and explore. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching. And please remember to like, comment and subscribe.